Welcome back to my channel. This is Nikki of Nikki's Homemade Crafts. Today I'm going to teach you how to crochet a succulent toilet paper cover with 3 different succulents, the perfect little gift. This pattern is part of a very special event called the Advent Calendar Crochet Along Volume 2. It has a mystery feature to it because you don't know which pattern I will be publishing each day. The entire event has 30 crochet patterns. 24 of them will be available free to view on my website. But again, you don't know which one. The 24 patterns will also be available in my membership, ad-free and printer-friendly. You can also get those on Ravelry and Etsy as a PDF. All 30 crochet patterns include a video tutorial. If you want to get all 30 crochet patterns ad-free and printer-friendly, then get my ebook at the link down below in the description or my website. All 30 crochet patterns are last-minute gift ideas. The entire event is sponsored by Premier Yarns. Now let's get started with today's quick crochet pattern. In order to get started, you're going to need some worsted yarn. I am using Premier's Just Yarn Value in orange, green, and a little bit of brown. We're going to start with brown. Start with a magic ring, chain 1. It does not count as a stitch, it's just holding the magic ring together. Now 6 single crochets into the ring, close the ring, use a stitch marker, then 2 single crochets in each stitch in the following round. In the following round, crochet 1 single crochet, then 2 single crochets. Then repeat that all the way around. In the following round, crochet 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches, and then an increase, so 2 single crochets. Repeat that all the way around. Now in the following round, crochet 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches, and then an increase. As you can tell, we're increasing this number here in the beginning by 1. So you're going to continue doing this until you have 1 single crochet in the next 9 stitches and an increase. The amount of single crochet stitches you do before the increase increases by 1 in each row. So here we did 3. In the following round, it would be 1 single crochet in the next 4 stitches, then an increase, then 5, increase, 6, increase, 7, increase, 8, and 9 increase. That's how far you're going to go. Now let's pretend I just did that. This is just a small swatch to show you how to do this. Now you're going to do orange. So you're going to pull your orange through. You can cut your brown at this point, and you're going to go into the back loop only in every stitch. You're just going to crochet 1 single crochet per stitch in the back loop only for 1 round, and then 18 more rows of just single crochet stitches using orange. So it's 19 rows in total. The first one was going in the back loop only. Then you're going to reattach your yarn to the front loop, and you're now going to crochet rows again, just 1 single crochet per stitch. But the first row is just a front loop, and then after that you're going to do 7 more rounds. So you're going to have pretty much 2 layers of orange. From the front loop, you're going to do it from the inside. So you're going to crochet in rounds like this so that this is all even. So if you now take a toilet paper roll, you can put this right over, and now you can take the top part right here and you're going to fold it in half. That way you still have a little bit of a ridge, as you can see right here, and you have some hanging over, just like a regular flower pot. So at this point you can then weave in your ends, and now we're going to work on the actual succulents. Now you're going to crochet in rounds, and you're going to add 5 rounds of just single crochet stitches. You're going to do this 3 times until you have 3 pieces like this. So this is just 6 single crochets per row with 5 rounds. That's your first set. For the second set, you're going to repeat this first row of 6 single crochets in the ring, and then you're going to do The next round is 2 single crochets per stitch all the way around. Then you're going to crochet 1 single crochet per stitch for 8 rounds. Then you're going to repeat that 5 more times, so you have 6 pieces in total. This is your second set. For the third set, you're going to repeat rows 1 and 2, and then in the following round you're going to crochet 1 single crochet, then 2 single crochets in the following stitch, and then repeat that all the way around. And then you're going to crochet after that 10 rounds of just single crochet stitches. You're going to do that 5 more times, such that you have for your third set also 6 pieces. For your next one, you're going to crochet 25 chains. I'm just going to make a small swatch here so I can show you what you're going to do. So 25 chains, then starting from the second chain from the hook, 1 single crochet per chain. Then you're going to turn, and now you're going to start crocheting single crochet stitches only in the back loop only. So just 1 stitch per stitch, and you're going to repeat that until you have 14 rows in total. For your third one, you're going to make a magic ring, chain 1. Now you're going to add unfinished double crochet stitches. So just like this, yarn over and pull through, and then yarn over, pull through. So you're pretty much skipping the very last step of a double crochet until you have 4 unfinished double crochet stitches. You have 5 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all, and one more time, yarn over, pull through. Then you're going to slip stitch to the ring, and now you're going to close the ring like so. You're going to take your loop like so, and you're going to pull it through such that you're making a knot. Now just right next to it, you're going to start a new magic ring like so, like really close to the little bobble that you just made. Chain 1, and now repeat the process. So 4 unfinished double crochet stitches until you have 5 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all, and then one more time, yarn over and pull through, slip stitch to the ring, pull the magic ring closed. So the smaller your magic ring, the better. Now pull this loop out and push everything through. So everything you just made through. This line is going to get longer and longer and longer. You're going to make it as long as you like. Mine is this long. So I made all these bobbles. I did not count them, so make them as long as you like. Now it's time to assemble all of them. We have 3 succulent plants in this pot. Start with the long succulent line right here. So what you're going to do is you're going to sew the first one on here. So you're going to take some green yarn or brown yarn, it's up to you. You're going to take your toilet paper out again. You're going to sew a line over here to hold this on. You're going to make this long and make loops, different sized loops, as many as you like. And some of them you can make a little longer, and you keep sewing this on the side here. Now down here you can choose to cut this at some point. So whenever you have everything sewn on, you're going to make your lines a little shorter. I crocheted all of them in a very, very long line so that I can sew this on very easily, and then later cut my pieces down here whenever I'm ready. So just keep hanging these on here and sew them on to one side. Then for this guy right here, you're going to fold it in half. You're going to seam it across, and on the top you're going to close it up. You're going to just weave it through and pull so it's rounded on the top. You're going to stuff it slightly, then you're going to sew it on the side right here wherever you like. And then the very last step will be these guys. So you're going to not stuff these, okay? Don't stuff them. And you're going to lay them out the way you like. I'm going to just lay them like so in a nice order. all 6 of them, and sew them on. And then I'm going to take the next layer and sew them on as well, right on top in a row. And then you're going to take the last 3 and sew them in a center, like so. If you want, you can start with this one, because you're going to push this aside a little bit because this guy's here on the side. And then we have the other ones hanging down. Ideally, you want to start with the hanging ones because that way you already have that done. Then you can do this one, and then finally you do this one. And then they're all sewn together. So I'm going to sew them all on now, and I'm going to show you how it looks like after. Once you're done, it's going to look like this. Let me tilt it slightly over so you can see I arranged it where the big ones are on the outside, and I puffed them up a little bit. There's no polyfill inside, so you can easily change the shape however you like. Then the medium ones are kind of in a ring here, and then the little ones are there. We have the big one right here, and then we have the other ones hanging down over here. And yes, I already have a toilet paper roll on the inside. So now you are done with your little succulent plant that is also a toilet paper cover. Be sure to like, comment, and share this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell to get a notification next time I publish a new video or go live. Now go ahead and watch the next video. I'm sure you want to. I'll see you next time. Bye.